Hi, this is Lauren from LSP Actions and welcome to the LSP Cake Smash Cutie editing tutorial part 2 video 6. In this video I'm going to give you a super quick skin retouch demonstration using this beautiful image by Kristen Nicotra at Photography. The shot is absolutely adorable and Kristen really is the queen of Cake Smash. So first of all I'm going to crop in. Just crop that background in enough there and straighten out a little bit using the crop. Really such minimal editing needs to do into these images because she really does get it so beautifully right in camera. It saves so much time editing. So the background doesn't need editing at all, so let's just crack straight in with the skin. Down here on the skin retouch, for a more detailed step-by-step editing tutorial you can watch video 2 part 1. So I'm just going to play the light instant retouch here. And also the strong skin retouch. Strong skin retouch is great for the mottly arms and legs you tend to get on toddlers when there's a temperature change or anything like that, or even when they're a little bit excited, the arms and legs tend to go a little bit kind of, you get these feather patchy mottles here. So I'm going to use this one just to paint on, and you can see it's just brushing away any of those mottly blemish textures on the skin and revealing the beautifully smooth skin texture without being overly smooth. This will also work for this little area under the eye here. Let's just brush that away, and anything else. I apologise if you can hear my own toddler yelling in the background there. So a white brush to paint on and a black brush to hide. You don't want to paint this over any edges or details of the image. We also have the detail painter here, so let's just use that layer just to really brush up on these details. Baby has a little stalk mite here, so you really don't want to retouch that one too much at all, if at all, because it's a birthmark and you want to leave those in. Okay, so we've done a light retouch there of the skin. Let's boost the eyes a little bit by playing the Define Lashes and Cupid's Bow. This one is really great. For the eyelashes here, really adds that pop. Cupid's bow is this little area here at the top of the lip. And you can also use this to pop any other areas that you want to. Down to the skin tone. Now I'm going to show you the Skin Tone Genius. Pick your own. Hit continue. And choose a Goldilocks zone of the skin. Not too dark and not too bright, but just right. And you can use a soft white brush, 100% opacity, 25% flow, just to paint this on and balance the skin tone out if you need to. This will also add a lovely lift and lighten too, which helps draw attention to the baby in the shot. Let's play Purple Feet, Warm and Lift. And great for all baby feet, just to take some of those reds out, the purpley tones. Unlike newborns, Cake Smash skin tends to come with its own set of different editing challenges, and that is one of them. Now let's go down into the finishing section to show you a before and after there. So we just balance that skin tone out. Don't need to do anything with the tones on this image. Let's add, which one should we add? How about a little portrait finish? That will just help pop everything even more. It's a beautiful little finisher. Sharpen up all over. And how about the mini vignette? That just darkens those edges to draw attention in. And as with anything here, you can slide the opacity to suit the image. So there we have before and after. Because this shot was just so perfect in camera, Kristen really does have it nailed, and she offers mentoring on Cake Smash Photography too. It was such a smooth, fast edit. You can find more about the LSP Cake Smash Cutie Photoshop action set over at www.lsp-actions.com. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.